Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this review of the day trading session for 6/18, a Thursday. Well, let me recap it first. We had a terrific day again. It was a great day. We were done trading by 2 o'clock. We were 7 and 2, and actually our two losses, one was for 2 ticks on one, break even to 2 ticks. I recorded it as minus 2 ticks. Many people get out break even. And then we had one for a 1 point loss. The rest were winners and some nice winners. First, let me take you to the EC, which we are trading. The action has been much better than the ES, so we trade both the EC and the ES. And what you're going to find here, I'll go through the EC first. We had 5 trades, 5 and 0. First trade we were in, we were 5, 10, and 5 pips, and then we were out. The second trade came right behind it. First one was 831, the next was 836. We got 5 pips, came down, and no further. We were out break even, so we were done that trade. Had some ES trades in between, but let me show you the rest. The third trade was at 10 o'clock. This one we got in, we had 5 pips, and that was it. Came back and took us right out quick. Brought a stop to break even, and we were out on the other contracts at break even, so that was 5. That one was 5 pips. The next one, this was a beauty if you had multiple contracts, which a number of our members did. I'll just tell you our targets initially for smaller account holders, if you're trading 3 contracts, is 5, 10, and 20, and we hit it right here, 5, 10, and 20. And I actually, a couple of the members picked up about 60 pips. They caught it all the way down, and we're stopped out in this area here. So they were somewhere between 40 and 60 pips on the runners. So nice trade. All we accounted for was right here though on that trade because I account for 3 contracts. Then we took a break, and actually this afternoon, this was our last trade. We had 5, 5, 10, and 20. Again, hit our targets. We were out. We were done trading at that time. We were 7 and 2. That's enough. One trading 3 contracts would have had $1,250 for the day. Let me bring you over to the ES. Okay, here's our 2 losses. We had a scale in trade here. We were in. It just wasn't going anywhere. And we were out, like I said, break even to -2, depending when you got out. I accounted for it for -2 ticks, but most people were out break even. But that was the first trade. The second, we were in here for a nice counter trend divergence right here. Right on this candle, we got in. You can see it went sideways. We had a couple ticks, 3 ticks in it. Just going back and forth, and then we got killed here at the report. We knew we were in prior to the report. We were hoping to be out before the report. We got stuck into the trade here. We brought our stop down to 1 point instead of 2 and said, okay, hey, if the report goes in our favor, we're going to make it quick. If not, we're going to be out for 1 point, and it went against us, so we were out for 1 point. So those were the 2 little stops that we had. Now we'll flip over to the directional trades that we had. The first one was at 10:15 right in here. We were out. That was a winner. And the second trade we had was right here. These were happened during lunch times. These both would have been winners. I just mark them for the review of the charts with any member or for myself at night. Those 2 would have been winners, but this was the trade we took, 1 and 2 points right after we got back from lunch. And like I said, by 12 o'clock we were done trading. I'm sorry, by 2 o'clock we were done. So that's the review. If you trade ES, CC, would like to join us, come on in for the free trial. Give me a call if you have any questions. We'd love to have you in the room. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.